Hi, we are back with another video on the topic how to become a cloud architect. Before we deep dive, please make sure you subscribe to Scalar's YouTube channel and don't forget to turn on the bell notification icon. If you have any doubts, feel free to drop a comment below. How to become a cloud architect? Have you ever wondered what cloud engineering is or how to become a cloud architect? Cloud computing is a rapidly rising trending technology. When any technology snowballs, it comes with several job opportunities for people skilled in it. In today's session, we will tell you what works under the hood. Here is everything you need to know to become a cloud architect. Before we go any further, we would like to address the agenda for this video. We will explore what is a cloud architect, what are the prerequisites to become one, what are the cloud architecture career paths, can you become a cloud architect without a degree, and what is the scope and salary range for a cloud architect. Let's understand what exactly is a cloud architect. A cloud architect is an IT professional who is solely responsible for developing a company's computing strategy. These strategies incorporate cloud adoption plans, cloud application designers, and cloud management and monitoring. In simple words, cloud architects are professionals who are responsible for creating blueprints of application designs. As it is an extensive area, these professionals must possess advanced technical and designing skills to identify bottlenecks and suggest solutions without disturbing the entire system. Now that you know who a cloud architect is, it's time for us to introduce you to the prerequisite to become one. We will help you explore the key pillars of cloud computing architecture so that you do not encounter any roadblocks on your journey to becoming a cloud architect. Before understanding the different skills required to succeed as a cloud architect, let us look at cloud architecture's 4 core fundamentals or pillars. When cloud architects build a company's cloud environment, they work with 4 primary concepts: cloud infrastructure, cloud service model, cloud delivery model, and cloud deployment model. Now that we have got a basic understanding of the fundamentals of cloud computing, let's explore each of these concepts in detail. First, cloud infrastructure. The services run on cloud infrastructure, which includes storage, servers, and networking equipment. It covers components necessary for cloud computing, such as network resources, hardware, and abstracted resources. Second, cloud delivery model. The cloud-based services delivery might comprise a front-end platform and a back-end platform. In some cases, front-end systems access the cloud environment using the internet or a VPN link, whereas the back-end has the pooled cloud infrastructure data, resources, and applications. Third, cloud service model. If you are interested in learning all the types of services most familiar with cloud technologies, let's look at some of the most popular examples. Infrastructure as a service, IaaS. IaaS or infrastructure as a service offers the computing architecture and infrastructure of all the computing resources in a virtual format so that multiple users can access them. These resources include data storage, virtualization, servers, and networking that can be requested programmatically using a REST-based application programming interface API. Amazon Web Services is the most famous example of IaaS. Coming forward to Platform as a Service, PaaS. PaaS or Platform as a Service is mainly a development environment consisting of a programming language, execution environment, an operating system, a web server, and a database. In case of the heavy burden of various tasks such as operating system maintenance and middleware management, a PaaS service comes in handy. Third, software as a service, SaaS. We believe most of you must have heard this term even before it was popularized. SaaS or software as a service is a service that offers on-demand per use of application software to users. The consumer has no or minimal control over the software service. It's an independent platform that you don't need to install on your PCs. SaaS cloud computing is comparatively inexpensive. It includes Facebook, Gmail, Instagram, and cloud storage services such as Dropbox in the consumer world. Cloud deployment model. Now that you have got an essential understanding of various cloud-based services, let's examine the various deployment models. If you're from the IT industry or planning to step into it, you must be familiar with private cloud, hybrid cloud, public cloud, and multi-cloud. We will discuss each one in detail. First, private cloud. The cloud infrastructure is provisioned for exclusive use by a single organization comprising multiple customers. For clarity, the most common example of a private cloud is banks. It may be owned, managed, and operated by the organization or a third party, and it may exist on or off premises. Second, public cloud. As the name suggests, the cloud infrastructure is provisional for open use by the general public. It may be owned, managed, and operated by a business, academic, or government organization. Moreover, it exists on the premises of the cloud. Third, hybrid cloud. The hybrid cloud infrastructure is a composition of two or more cloud infrastructures, including private and public clouds. It includes the advantages of both public and private clouds. Fourth, multi-cloud. In simple words, the use of services from multiple cloud providers is called a multi-cloud. The most common examples are mission security requirements, policy, and compliance considerations. Moving on, let's talk about the skills required by cloud architects and other prerequisites. First, we will discuss the essential hard skills, and later we will move to soft skills that play a significant role. So let's get started. Fundamentals of cloud computing. Hands-on experience in the various programming languages including SQL, Python, XML with Java programming, and .NET frameworks is crucial when you are starting out. If you are looking to build up cloud programming skills, Python is an excellent language to kickstart your journey as it is a high-level language and is easy to grasp. Along with all the commonly known benefits, Python helps to declutter large chunks of data with utmost ease. Additionally, XML with Java programming will help you with data description. On the other hand, .NET is the most preferred framework, especially for Azure developers. Today, knowledge of operating systems is an essential technical skill that is gaining much importance. Having a sound knowledge of operating systems such as Linux keeps you 10 steps ahead of your competitors. Employers are on the hunt for professionals who have a solid understanding of Linux. It brings open source advantages, easy customization, and security features, and has been adopted by various cloud platforms. Communication skills. Designing great architecture doesn't mean a thing if you fail to explain your vision to software developers, managers, and fellow architects. You must master communication skills to articulate your ideas via emails, documents, and presentations in a way that convinces your team why your solution is the best. Work on your communication skills, improve your presentation skills, and learn it concisely, reflect your ideas, and explain your vision in the least time possible. You can choose to focus on using diagramming tools to show complex environments. Other soft skills. In addition to the hard skills and communication skills we mentioned earlier, soft skills set influential cloud architects apart. While hard skills are the base of any technical job, soft skills allow you to stand out from the crowd. Though we won't be discussing each of them in much detail, we will run through the essential ones including problem-solving skills, domain knowledge, time management, teamwork, adaptability, and sixth, leadership. At this stage, we have discussed some of the most popular machine learning concepts and prerequisites essential for every cloud architect's career. Now that you are well aware of the various tools and skills, let's analyze the different career paths that can be formed using these skill sets. Being a cloud architect comes with significant responsibilities, as it requires a fine balance between art and deep technical knowledge in the cloud. Well, you will not be drawing buildings or bridges as a cloud architect. Let's understand a few possible paths that could lead you to a rewarding, high-paying career in cloud computing architecture. Get your degree. One of the essential requirements to become, or at least to want to become a cloud architect, is to have a bachelor's degree, preferably in a science background. As a cloud architect, you will need to deal with hardships every day. And the best way to get started is by receiving a formal undergraduate degree from a reputable university. The undergraduate degree will prepare you for the upcoming challenges, build your technical skills, and inculcate soft skills such as communication and leadership skills. Second, get on the job experience. Once you are done with your undergraduate degree, does not guarantee you a job. A cloud architect isn't an entry-level position. Instead, these roles come with a high level of expertise and immense dedication. Before kickstarting your career as a cloud architect, you must have good IT experience as the field requires strong technical skills, leadership, and team handling skills. Third, get certified. A cloud architect is not just about completing a degree course or getting experience. In fact, it is about boosting your existing skills and learning something new through online courses. There are many multiple certification courses offered by world-class platforms that transform your learning procedure and validate you for your hard work, design, network, storage, and security. If you're looking for the best certification courses to enhance your skills, go for these popular ones. Solution Architect Associate Certification by AWS, Azure Architect Certification by Microsoft, Google Cloud Platform Cloud Architect Certification, Microsoft Certified Solutions Expert MCSE in Cloud Art Platform and Infrastructure Salesforce certifications, Cloud Solution Architects V2 certified by IBM, or Oracle Cloud Infrastructure Architect Associate certification. Then CompTIA Cloud Essentials, System Administrator in Red Hat OpenStack certified by Red Hat. Then VMware Certified Professional 6 Data Center Virtualization Exam. Apart from enrolling in these certification courses, you must engage yourself in reading, analyzing, practicing, and implementing various concepts that will help you give the much needed push, intelligence, and guarantee of achieving success. Wait, what if you do not have a degree? Isn't not having a degree the end of your career choices? Well, you must be thinking that a degree plays a significant role in chasing your dreams, without which it's next to impossible to become a compelling cloud architect. If you ask us, we partly agree with you. It's a fact that a degree is a crucial aspect to build and shape your career well, but it's not the only thing in the world to need to chase your dreams. Want to know why and how? Stay tuned to learn how to become a cloud architect without a degree. Taking on and completing a full-blown formal degree is a massive decision in which you cannot blindly invest without analyzing the circumstances and repercussions. About 5 to 10 years ago, a degree was everything you needed to embark on a successful career path. But today, having a college degree is further down the list. In contrast, employers are looking for people with certifications. Cloud computing is a complex area that requires domain-specific skills that you would never pick up in college. However, if you get focused training and certifications, you're more likely to be widely accepted and selected in the world's largest enterprises that are always on the hunt for talented professionals with certifications and relevant credentials in such specified fields. Let's discuss a cloud architect's career scope and salary. As mentioned earlier, the world's biggest companies are searching for emerging talent to build their career as a cloud architect. Cloud computing is associated with the Internet of Things IoT and data virtualization. Advancements such as modular software development are rapidly changing the face of cloud architecture, allowing professionals access to remote jobs in a number of industries including fintech, healthcare, insurance, education, automotive, real estate, and travel and hospitality. Cloud computing. Architecture is a complex domain that is exponentially growing with the rise in demand. So if you are thinking of building a great career in it, we will suggest taking your best shot with this trending choice. You never know when you will get a call from Microsoft, Google, or Facebook. When it comes to the monetary value, cloud architects often hold senior positions in the company and earn over 6-figure salaries. On average, a senior cloud architect's salary is around INR 25 lakh per annum in India, and a technical cloud architect's salary is around INR 24 lakh per annum. Hope you guys enjoyed the video on how to become a cloud architect. Please don't forget to like and share this video. For any queries, comment below and we will get right back to you. Thank you.